Who wants to guess how many kicks? It doesn't like me kicking it with the kickstand down. Maybe it's this. Maybe it's like the carburetor's not actually connected, like I realized earlier. Bam.
Yeah.
All right, we're doing stuff. Stuff is happening. It's a 4-position switch. So this never got the night vision. If you can get it down there, I can pop that thing out. There we go. All right, lights are on. Let's. Enough.
Being that it's a military design bike, I would say that everything.
Mark.
Heard it.
You know what I mean? Right.